Hello, very welcome to my channel Sheikh Life Yoga Sutra. Myself Sheikh Roshan, Yoga Master, MA in Yoga, PG Diploma and MBA in Finance and Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about the problem of thyroids. The thyroid problem you can find mostly in women than the men. So the kind of thyroid problems are, one is we know about that hypothyroid, which is commonly found in the out of 10%, the 2% women suffering with this hypothyroid problem. Later we will discuss about the hyperthyroid. Now we are going to discuss about hypothyroid. We are going to discuss in very simple language, not a very tough language of medical terminology. We will use the normal general words which is very much understandable and easily you can understand the concept of this problem, symptoms and how to come out and remedies. The one of the best thing we know about that is we can cure this problem. It is not a very difficult and very tough issue. Now the simple concept is that what is hypothyroid? The hypothyroid itself is indicating about the hormone, the thyroid releasing, and the thyroid gland, if you see, it seems like a butterfly. When the pituitary gland giving the thyroid hormone T3 and T4 in very less amount, then this hypothyroid problem comes. Thyroid stimulated hormone is higher and T3 and T4 is very less, or might be little bit of less. So when hyperthyroid we are going to discuss, it is opposite to the hypothyroid. The hyperthyroid is something that T3 and T4 is higher level and thyroid stimulated hormone is very less level. What are the problems after a woman getting the hypothyroid problem? What the problems she faced or kind of symptoms she go through with that? Subclinical problems. Basically, when the hormone release is very less, that is T3 and T4, the metabolic system gets slower, and due to that, weight gaining start to the woman, and most of the time it happens in the age of 16 and between 40 to 45 and 50. Why this happened? There are some reasons we will discuss later. First we discuss the problems comes. First we already discussed slow metabolic rate, and the second is weight gain. She gains the weight. Third thing is that she suffered with constipation problems. Third is that skin problem, dry of skin, nails become weak and they break out very easily. These are very easy to see and understand these symptoms. First we discuss about slow metabolic rate, and second is weight gain, constipation and dry skin and joint pains, muscle weakness, and slowly the person goes in depression and become lethargy, fatigue and tired. These are the symptoms, and it leads to a kind of negative thoughts in the whole life. So these are the things which mostly I think women knew about all this. Nothing new I'm talking in front of you. So what is the new today we are going to discuss in this channel? Come on, made side, put it all the problem inside. You can cure this problem. You can get a solution. In this channel, I will give you some tips. You can come out with this problem. So now we are going to discuss about the solution. The solution is that you have to do some 4 to 5 yoga exercises, pranayama, which is very important. And one more thing, allopathy is something that you have to continue that medicine. But Ayurveda and yoga gives you a kind of relaxation and removing from this problem to you and giving the solution. So first we are going to start with Ayurvedic point of view. There are some oils are available which is made of akhrot. You know that about akhrot is there. So akhrot oil is there. that oil you can rub to your thyroid gland before sleeping at night. Or in case you don't have that oil, you can apply the extra virgin coconut oil also, that is good, and the sesame oil also you can apply. The second and the remedy which is easily available in your house and kitchen, that is onion, pyaj. You can cut it that and rub in this throat area just like massage before sleeping at night. This is the normal massage therapy. Second is that you have to do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is just like you can see, you have to take a breath and exhale through the navel area and inhale very low, exhale very high. That is Kapalbhati. The second is Ujjayi Pranayam. Taking the breath with sound like that and exhaling with closing the right nostril and leaving to the left nostril. That is the cooling breath, and that is we call it Chandranadi. The third one is Simha Garjasana, and you can prepare that also. You can do Ustrasana, that is also very useful for that. You can do Bhujangasana, that is very easy. I want to say some precautions when you are going to start these postures and pranayam. Basically, Kapalbhati you have to do very slowly. If you are having high blood pressure problem, you have to go in a slow manner. And the second is Griva Sanchalanasana. If you have cervical spondylitis, please take care about all this. You just have to rotate your neck like this and downward, leftward, backward, rightward, 10 rounds and 10 rounds reverse, clockwise and anti-clockwise. It is just all about the movement of this thyroid area. If you do this and downward and upward and downward, that is also very helpful. But in case if you are having cervical problem, you have to take care, you have to take precautions on this. Now next we are going to move the one more thing about acupressure points. So when you are doing Kapalbhati, you just have to see this area is the thyroid area, acupressure point. This is the thyroid. Whenever you pressure your thumb, when you do Kapalbhati, pressure like this. One stroke, like that. It's a very useful. Only doing Kapalbhati you can cure your thyroid problem. Ujjayi Pranayam is also very simple. I am going to repeat again. And close the right. Chandranadi, releasing the breath. Ustrasana, Bhujangasana, these are very simple postures. You can do it very easily. So there are 3-4 steps I already, as far as the yoga is concerned, I explained. And one more remedies, oil massage I explained, and you find a very good results doing with all these remedies. So you have to try all this. At least 20 minutes you have to give from your side, and that will help you a lot. And one more thing which I would like to say, that why women suffer this problem is reason behind is that, so they went for higher education after finishing that, they have some dreams which is not fulfilled after the marriage and handling the family, that leads to kind of negative thoughts, and that create the problem of thyroids. And most of the time during the pregnancy and after the pregnancy and delivery, sometimes the thyroid leads continuously to the certain years. So please do these 2-4 postures and try to massage your neck areas by oil and onion, and you will come back and you will get a good health. It is not a very long-term problem. You can sort it out just giving daily 20 minutes from your side. Thank you very much. See you again. Goodbye. Take care. With the next video, we are going to discuss about double chin, how to remove the double chin when this is coming. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.